fuck's sake, how the fuck do we even do this? For fuck's sake. What is going on? It is November the 5th, 2018. It's probably been a year since I have recorded, posted anything. I can't even remember the date I last did a video. Let's have a look. Let's get the correct date. The last time I made a video. My last video was Audi A3 headlight swap, and I uploaded it, if it'll tell me. It doesn't tell me when I last uploaded the video. Hang on. No, still doesn't tell me. Whatever, well, that was my last upload. Changed the headlights on an Audi A3. Yep, don't have that car anymore. Thought I'd give a quick update onto what on earth has happened in the last 12 months. Car related things. Obviously I'm not going to go into give you the fucking shite in my life. So, the last video you saw, obviously I had the Audi A3. I got rid of that and bought an Astra VXR. There'll be a picture on the screen somewhere of it. Yeah, I couldn't hack the diesel life, so I went and got one of those, and I broke it, so I had to get another car. I got an Audi A3 Quattro, another AP, but a 56 plate. It was red. It was standard as fuck, it had full leather, it was boring as fuck. So got rid of that, and now I've gotten, what have I got? I've got a Golf at the minute. A VW Golf Mark 5, 2004, 2 litre diesel, GT, TDI. It's got some fucking shite wheels on it. It's got a Jetta front end. It's got a back box delete, and it's a diesel, so it sounds like shit. It's got a sprayed rear valance on the backs, because Mark 5s have a shitty plastic bumper, as you can see on the screen somewhere, and they have a really shitty plastic bumper, so that's been sprayed, not by me. Apart from that, it's pretty standard. So yeah, that's kind of the update of where we are at the minute. I do also have a Golf GTI, which is another story. You may see that in another video soon, because it isn't actually here, because I no longer live at home. I live 100 miles away from home, which is good and bad. So yeah, the GTI is not here. I might actually be going down to see that this week to work on it, because it's got some major issues. As is my Golf currently, it's not major issues. This Golf's got, it needs a temp sensor, it needs some bodywork sorting that I can deal with, but apart from that it's fine. So you might see that in a new video. It is kind of a bit of a shed, because I don't give a fuck about it. It is currently filthy. It's probably done about 2,000 miles since I've washed it, because I don't give a fuck about it. So yeah, the last video, I still technically had the Corsa, so that went about September last year. I got rid of that just before I went on holiday. So that went, and the new owner has blown that up, I've been told. So yeah, what am I doing? Well, I need to show you the Golf. That won't be this video because I can't be arsed. My Golf, my silver Golf. I'll put a picture of it somewhere just so you can see what it looks like. It's a fucking shed. So there's that. There'll be the GTI and some other stuff that my father has, because he currently has a lot of cars that he's dealing with various issues. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to make some videos. Don't promise on it. Oh, and the battery's about to go flat on the camera. Brilliant. So yeah, that was it for this video. Yeah, I'm not dead. Just slightly dead. Just in the heart. Okay, fuck this. Fuck this.